Hi, I'm the Introverted Affiliate, and in this video I will talk about my experience so far after joining Merch by Amazon and how hard it has been to get the first few sales starting out as a new seller. To give you some background, I was an art and animation student in college, and I graduated with a Bachelor of Arts in Animation degree 11 years ago. I ended up choosing not to pursue that career because of different reasons, mostly because the college only had a handful of animation classes at the time, and the rest of the program was made up of media classes that weren't really useful, so I never got graded animation. The other reason was I found out animation is really difficult if you want to be a one-man show, and as an introvert, I prefer working by myself. I began asking myself, if I'm only doing this to make money, then why don't I just learn how to make money? That led me to eventually learn about print on demand and Merch by Amazon. I applied and got accepted for Merch by Amazon towards the end of January this year, and it took 4 days for me to get approved. I think it was probably just luck that I got in so fast. At first I was excited, but then I got busy doing other things and forgot about it until this month, when I decided I would try to get my first sales with some Father's Day shirts I designed. None of my designs sold yet, and that could be because I waited too late to start posting them, or because my designs are not that good, or because I priced them too high starting out at $19.99. So far, it has not been easy for me to get any sales, and it is kind of discouraging because some of these designs took me a few hours to make, so it does seem like a waste of time to get zero results, but I also realize it takes a lot of practice and failure to become great at something. I did take a few graphic design classes in college, but those weren't enough for me to get good at it, and I am still a beginner level for graphic design. I started posting my first designs on Merch by Amazon on June 1st this month, and now I will show you what I made so far. You can tell me what you think could be better about them if you like, because feedback is always useful. Starting with the first design, this is supposed to be a NASCAR racing shirt. Without all the colors and stickers, I guess it just looks like a regular car. Then for my next design, I made a dirt bike wheelie shirt. This one took me a while to get all the details of the dirt bike done, and I thought this design was decent, but still it got zero sales. My third design was this father and child fishing shirt. I chose to have no text on this one and got zero sales. Then for my fourth design, it was basically the same, only with two kids and the words "Real Great Dad," which got zero sales. My fifth design was this Papa Toad shirt because I thought maybe it would be funny enough to get sales, but it was not. My sixth design was actually a picture of my cat laying on its back with the words "like father, like cat." Again, not funny enough to sell. My seventh design was this golf shirt with the words "Best Dad by Par." I saw other sellers using that phrase, so I made my own design with it, but it got no sales. And my eighth design was the same thing, only with different colors for the background. For my ninth design, I went back to my Father's Day fishing shirt and changed to the sunset and added the words "Gone Fishin'." No sales on that. Then for my 10th design, I did the same thing again, only with the words "fishing buds." And no sales there. So I guess it will be back to the drawing board, and I will have to think of better ideas next year for Father's Day and try to get everything posted earlier. Let me know if you have any ideas or suggestions for the designs, and I'll keep trying different things and let you know when I figure out something that works to get sales, because it can be really hard as a new seller being limited to only 10 designs. Thanks for watching.